Learn English with Kevin. Vocabulary. Stories. Conversation. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. You can use this video to practice English listening skills, and repeat with me to practice English speaking skills. So today, I'm going to talk about summer. For some of you, it's summer now. And for others, it's winter. Where I live, it's the summer season now. So, first, let's talk about summer weather.
In most countries, this is the hottest time of year. In cold countries, summer is the only time of year when it's hot. In tropical countries, there isn't much difference between the seasons, but summer is definitely hot. I really like hot and sunny weather. How about you? Do you prefer hot or cold weather? Also, in some places, summer is the rainy season. Where I live now, it rains a lot in the summer. I don't like this. I grew up in northern Vietnam, where it rains a lot in the summer. For me, rainy weather isn't fun. I like to go outside and do activities, but it's hard to do this when it's raining. During the hot summer days, many people like going to the beach. The water is usually warmer during this season, so it's a good time to swim. Some people like to lie on the sand and enjoy the hot sun, but I don't do this. I sometimes like swimming at the beach, but I definitely don't sunbathe. I get sunburned very easily. Another thing that any Vietnamese do in the summer is have barbecues. This season is perfect for barbecues, because you can spend the afternoon outside with your family and friends. Also, the Vietnamese have swimming pools. So, the summer months are a great time to use them. When I was a kid, my family always went in the pool during this time of year. I have great memories of playing with my sister and my friends in our pool. It's always fun to go to the pool during the summer. People who don't have swimming pools can go to public pools. In big cities, there are usually public swimming pools, where you can go during the summer, or during other months. One other popular summer activity in Vietnam is camping. Summer is a perfect time to go camping, because you don't get too cold at night. Usually, people sleep outside in tents when they camp. So, it's better to do this activity when it's warm. I've camped in the summer and in the winter, but it's definitely in the summer. A lot of people go hiking when they camp, which is also better in the summer, in my opinion. In Vietnam, children usually have a long break from school during the summer. When I was in elementary school and middle school, I had 3 months of summer vacation. The school year ended at the end of May, and the next school year began in September. This is a long break. I had time to do many things during these months. Many Vietnamese children go to summer camp during this break. There are many types of summer camps where kids do fun activities, learn new things, and spend time outdoors. I went to a few sports summer camps when I was a kid. Also, many people travel during this season, because children don't have to go to school. Summer is also a good time to travel because of the good weather. But, the bad thing about traveling in the summer is that many tourist places are crowded at this time. This means that there are many people there. So I prefer to travel during other seasons.
Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. Take care.